Murphy Marketplace video, step by step detailing the individual transition plan post-secondary goal statement examples. A lot of times I see general statements in this section, and they should really be more specific, based on your age-appropriate transition assessment results that you conducted prior to writing the student's ITP. Here's an example of what it will look like. Student's post-secondary goal for training or education, employment, and, as appropriate, independent living. And the statement says, upon completion of school, I will. So let's look at some examples. For education and training, instead of saying, upon completion of school, I will attend college. Okay, what college? What are you going to study? Instead, I would say, upon completion of school, I will attend culinary school to obtain a culinary arts degree. For employment, instead of saying, upon completion of school, I will get a part-time job, I would say, upon completion of school, I will get a part-time job as a prep cook and then a full-time job as a head or executive chef, which is this student's ultimate employment and career goal. Sometimes I get the question, what if I don't think the student will meet this goal? It's not appropriate, they're non-diploma bound, or it just doesn't meet their present levels of performance. Well, it doesn't really matter. Whatever the student's ultimate dream and goal is, based on their strengths, preferences, and interests, is what you need to put here. And then your job is to provide activities, multiple different kinds of activities to support the post-secondary goal. So that's school-based activities and, as appropriate, community-based activities. Doing those career awareness activities, college awareness, what education and training is required to meet this goal. Maybe the student's non-diploma bound, but they can work towards getting a diploma. And then after that, they can get a 2-year associate's degree and then a 4-year degree to reach a more lofty goal, like, say, become a doctor or a veterinarian. It's just your job to provide all the support that they're going to need and document that support in all the lessons, activities, interest inventories, interview lessons, all those pre-employment and pre-college education activities that you're doing every day in your classroom. So to help you with this, I've created a free Teachers Pay Teachers download, post-secondary statement examples in education and training, employment, and independent living. One is a regular PDF and the other one is editable, so you can just copy and paste it into your ITP. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my Teachers Pay Teachers page, Murphy Marketplace, for more great special education and transition activities. Thanks.